So next question's about the Google shortener that has been deprecated since Google stopped the gooo.gl shortening service. He's got too many O's in there, but that's okay. It mentions something called Firebase. Can this be used for similar backlinking? What would be the easiest way to get started? Thank you. Marco, I'm gonna let you take that one because I never did anything in Firebase, but I know you did.
Yeah, I mean, just follow the instructions. It's all there on how to set it up. I mean, we can't go through it here. Either use Firebase or use the MGYB shortener. A lot of power in MGYB.
That's a good point. So go to mgyb.co/s, and that's the mgyb.co shortener. You can do it with a free account, or you can have a paid account that gives you additional functionality and all that other kind of stuff. But yeah, it's the mgyb.co/s, and that's our shortener, which we've been building power into now for a few years, a couple of years at least, 2.5 years, something like that. And it's pretty incredible how powerful those short URLs can be. So yeah, or you can try to set up Firebase on your own. I've never done anything with it though. So
yeah. So on the shortener, right, on MGYB, if you have a paid account, what you're able to do is you're able to flip out the destination. So talk about being in POF and total control of everything. When you shorten everything through MGYB and you get this crappy client who then, after you're getting him or her fantastic results, refuses to pay. If you've done things the way that we teach you, which is absolutely use the MGYB shortener to power everything up because of the power that's built into MGYB, and then the power that's built into the dry stacks and G sites, when you're controlling all of that and you turn it off, and you can flip out the destination so that power can go elsewhere. I mean, and there's other things that you can do. You can tag it, there's geotagging, there's all sorts of things that you can do with the paid account that you cannot do with the free account. But one of the main things is having that ability to control it and to change the destination of that 301.
there you go.